Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mark Goddard has called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 6 seconds of the third round, declaring the winner by submission due to a rear naked choke, and still the undisputed UFC lightweight champion of the world, Hhabib the Eagle Nurmagomedov.
This arena, the mixed martial arts world, belongs to Hhabib Nurmagomedov tonight. With all the pressure on yourself yet again, you rise above it and turn in a near perfect performance. Congratulations on your second successful title defense. How do you feel, sir?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Honestly, I don't know why I have so much everything in my life. Like, I don't know, maybe, like, I want to say thank you so much, God, first of all. Then I have father here, my father. I want to say thank you for my father. Come here, coach. I have my coach here, Javier Mendez. I have my brothers, everybody. Like, we born together, you know, like, grew up. Like, everything what I have, like, I have because of my team, my father, my sparring partners, brothers, Islam, Zuba, everybody here is like Abu Bakr, Umar, everybody. If I forget somebody, sorry guys, my uncles, subhanallah. Alhamdulillah, I want to say thank you so much for all my team. And why I wear this t-shirt, I know Dustin do a lot of charity stuff. Guys, make sure I'm gonna sell this t-shirt. All this money, I'm gonna send Dustin Porье. This is what I want, you know. And why we have so much respect between us before the fight, then my last fight, you know this with guy, I have a lot of crazy stuff, but I wanna forget everything. We show really what is this MMA. MMA is number one thing is respect. When you come gym, first things, what your coach, everybody teach you, hey, you have to respect gym, you have to respect teammates, coaches, you have to still keep clean your gym, everything about respect. MMA is not about trash talking. You know, this is what we show with Dustin Porье and his great team, you know. Thank you so much. Now I want to talk a little bit Russian. Большое спасибо всем, кто приехали с России, с Дагестана, со всех стран СНГ, со всего мира. Большое вам спасибо, что приехали, я столько попах здесь вижу. Я очень горд этим, потому что это культура не только Дагестана, не только Чечни, Ингушетии, всего Северного Кавказа. Там, где я вырос, в горах, мы носим папаху не потому, что каждый может ее носить. У тебя должна быть в первую очередь честь, ты должен быть мужчиной. Женщины у нас папахи не носят, у нас настоящие мужчины носят папахи. Так что вам большое спасибо. Я когда видел эти папахи, я заряжался энергией, когда заходил сюда. Большое спасибо всем, алхамдулилlah. I want to give a little bit talk for my father and coach Javier. Javier is a little bit older than my father. I think Javier have to talk.
I gotta say, I'm glad what he did. He followed father's plan. That's all I gotta say. He followed father's plan.
Abdulmanap, great to have you here, my friend. Congratulations to you. Hhabib, before we let you go, I know it's been a long wait to get back in the octagon tonight. You did drop the name Tony Ferguson here during fight week. What can you tell us about your third title defense?
Last 2 years was very busy for me, you know. I want a little bit relax, you know. I have too much pressure on my shoulder. Give me a little bit time, maybe a couple days. I have to rest. Thank you, guys.
One of the greatest champions this octagon has ever seen, the undisputed lightweight king, the Eagle, Hhabib Nurmagomedov. And we step over here and talk to a graceful, classy Dustin Porье. I know this fight did not play out the way you expected it to. What a show of support here in Abu Dhabi for you, man. The consummate fan favorite. I know you're frustrated right now. How did this fight play out relative to your expectations coming in?
I mean, I knew he was going to press. I knew I was going to be against the fence a lot. I just feel like I let myself down. You know, I didn't cut any corners preparing for this. I felt like my whole career set me up for this moment, but maybe there were times in there I could have did more. I was just so prepared, and now I got to wake up and look myself in the mirror every morning with this result. And if anything, adversity's taught me in the past is when times are good, be grateful, and when times like this, be graceful. So I'm gonna just go home, spend some time with my family. It's been a long road. I'm proud of everything I've accomplished in this sport. I have a lot of tread left on the tires, but right now I just need some time to think, man.
And there is still a belt and a beautiful baby girl waiting for you at home. We know you'll be back stronger than ever. Appreciate you sticking around for us. Ladies and gentlemen, once more, the former interim champ.
I'm sorry for anyone I let down with this performance. I promise you I wanted this more than anything.
There he is, the king of Lafayette, Louisiana, Dustin Poirier.